Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ToMarket not connecting to Bitget. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now to fix this, the first thing you need to do now is to head over to your Play Store, then search for Telegram, then update your Telegram if your Telegram is not updated. Then after updating your Telegram, the next thing you need to do now is to come over, then search for Bitget Wallet, then also update your Bitget. Next thing which you need to do now is to come over to your settings section. Then go head over to apps. Then search for Bitget Wallet. Then proceed to storage and the clear cache. And after clearing your cache now, I also advise you go over to your Telegram also. Go over to your Telegram, then also clear your Telegram cache. After that, make sure you close your Telegram and your Bitget. Now, check if your problem is solved or not. If you are still facing this problem, then what you need to do is download a VPN. Any VPN like Windscribe or any VPN, then just connect to a foreign server like United States. Once connected, go to your Telegram and then open up your ToMarket app. So now, after you're on your ToMarket, just quickly come over and tap on Assets. So now just tap on Connect Wallets. Simply select your Bitget wallet, and then it will be connect to your Bitget wallet. So that's basically how you can fix ToMarket not connecting to Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.